Meaning of eloquently.
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 Eloquently. Eloquently means speaking or writing in a fluent, persuasive, and articulate manner. When someone speaks or writes eloquently, they are able to express their thoughts and ideas clearly and effectively, using language that is both engaging and persuasive. An eloquent person is not only able to capture the attention of their audience, but also to convey complex concepts in a way that is easy to understand. Overall, being able to communicate eloquently is an important skill in many areas of life, from public speaking to business presentations and even personal relationships.